Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, northeastern Harrison County and east central Ohio, Jefferson County and east central Ohio, Allegheny County and southwest Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, northern Washington County and southwest Pennsylvania, extreme north central Ohio County and northern West Virginia, Hancock County and northern West Virginia, Brooke County and northern West Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Richmond, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wintersville, Unionport, Smithfield, Richmond, Wayland, Hammondsville, Burgolds, Windsor Heights, Steubenville, Brilliant, Wellsburg, Mingo Junction. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 279 between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 579 between mile markers 0 and 1. Route 43 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 44 and 53. Interstate 376 between mile markers 43 and 84. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 18. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 49. Interstate 76 between mile markers 37 and 58. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for western Maryland and east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll County, Ohio,